Uniswap value equivalent to $8,991 a coin. The present exchange cost range $7.93 The earlier day close $7.19 The change was plus 0.294 plus 162%. Backwards rate US to Uni. Uniswap conjecture for July 2024. Before all else cost at $906. Excessive cost $11.25, while low cost $906. The normal for the month $9.97. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $10.51. Change for July 16%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2024. To start with cost at $10.51. Exorbitant cost $10.51, while low cost $8.21. The normal for the month $9.52. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $8.83. Change for August 16%. Uniswap figure for September 2024. Before all else cost at $8.83. Excessive cost $10.96, while low cost $8.83. The normal for the month $9.72. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2024. Change for September 16%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $10.24. Exorbitant cost $12.71, while low cost $10.24. The normal for the month $11.27. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $11.88. Change for October 16%. Uniswap conjecture for November 2024. At the outset cost at $11.88. Excessive cost $12.93, while low cost $11.23. The normal for the month $12.3. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $12.8. Change for November 17%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2024. In the first place cost at $12.8. Exorbitant cost $13.19, while low cost $11.47. The normal for the month $12.27. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $12.33. Change for December 1%. Uniswap conjecture for January 2025. At the outset cost at $12.33. Excessive cost $13.72, while low cost $11.92. The normal for the month $12.70. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $12.82. Change for January 40%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2025. First and foremost cost at $12.82. Exorbitant cost $15.91, while low cost $12.82. The normal for the month $14.11. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $14.87. Change for February 16%. Uniswap conjecture for Walk 2025. First and foremost cost at $14.87. Exorbitant cost $16.70, while low cost $14.52. The normal for the month $15.43. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $15.61. Change for spring 5%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2025. Initially cost at $15.61. Excessive cost $17.3, while low cost $14.81. The normal for the month $15.84. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $15.92. Change for April 2%. Uniswap conjecture for May 2025. Before all else cost at $15.92. Excessive cost $17.46, while low cost $15.18. The normal for the month $16.22. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $16.32. Change for May 5%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2025. Initially cost at $16.32. Excessive cost $17.75, while low cost $15.43. The normal for the month $16.52. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $16.59. Change for June 17%. Uniswap conjecture for July 2025. At the outset cost at $16.59. Excessive cost $17.79, while low cost $15.47. The normal for the month $16.62. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $16.63. Change for July 2%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place cost at $16.63. Exorbitant cost $20.64, while low cost $16.63. The normal for the month $18.30. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $9.29. Change for August 16%. Uniswap conjecture for September 2025. Before all else cost at $9.29. Excessive cost $9.29, while low cost $15.82. The normal for the month $17.85. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $17.1. Change for September 11.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2025. First and foremost cost at $17.1. Exorbitant cost $17.1, while low cost $13.89. The normal for the month $15.40. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $14.89. Change for October 16%. Uniswap figure for November 2025. Initially cost at $14.89. Excessive cost $16.47, while low cost $14.29. The normal for the month $15.11. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $15.39. Change for November 7%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $15.39. Exorbitant cost $17.33, while low cost $15.7. The normal for the month $16. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $16.20. Change for December 5.3%. Uniswap figure for January 2026. Initially cost at $16.20. Excessive cost $16.20, while low cost $12.66. The normal for the month $14.67. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $13.61. Change for January 16%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $13.61. Exorbitant cost $16.90, while low cost $13.61. The normal for the month $14.98. Uniswap cost figured toward the month's end $15.79. Change for February 16%. Uniswap figure for Walk 2026. Initially cost at $15.79. Excessive cost $15.79, while low cost $12.90. The normal for the month $14.59. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $13.87. Change for spring 12.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2026. In the first place cost at $13.87. Exorbitant cost $13.87, while low cost $10.88. The normal for the month $12.58. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $11.70. Change for April 15.6%. Uniswap conjecture for May 2026. Initially cost at $11.70. Excessive cost $11.70, while low cost $9.14. The normal for the month $10.59. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $9.83. Change for May 16%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2026. In the first place cost at $9.83. Exorbitant cost $11.03, while low cost $9.